Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do a split screen effect in your CapCut PC. Let's begin. First, open CapCut and I want you to add your clips to the timeline. So I'm going to add clip number 1 and clip number 2. Now, go ahead, put one of your clips above and make some adjustments. Then I want this clip or image to be on the left side, for example. It could be anywhere. And the clip number 2, I'm going to put it right over here on the right side. Then you would like to select the first clip above, go to video, mask, add the mask, and select split. Then we can easily move or make adjustments either vertical or horizontal. So we can rotate this and also do this. Okay. Now I'm going to make this vertical and adjust this accordingly. And there you go. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.